My name is Garvin. I'm a DCO, which stands for Distribution Center Operative. I am also doing a Level 3 Leadership and Management Apprenticeship. I started to work at Unipart in March 2014, where I was an agency worker on a home-based contract. Well, I'm delighted to say I was able to come back to Unipart in 2016. I worked on the HSS contract. I started off as a temp and then was lucky enough to be made permanent in September 2016. I became a workplace trainer in 2017. And then in 2018, when the HSS contract ended, I was asked to join the forum and took on the lead role when unfortunately the previous lead fell ill and could not continue in that role. Fast forward to 2022, I am doing a Level 3 Leadership and Management Apprenticeship course. But that's not all. I guess you could call me a multitasker because amongst other things, I am a fire marshal, SHE-Rep, first aider, mental health first aider, spill kit trainer, and well-being champion. I think what I've learned is that if you work hard, show the right attitude, the doors will always open for you. If someone is thinking of joining Unipart, I'd say go for it. Jump in, work hard, and enjoy the journey.